In this video, we will compare two popular platforms, Shopify and ClickFunnels. We will help you decide which one is the best for your online business. Stay tuned to find out which platform wins this battle. First up is Shopify. Shopify is a complete e commerce platform that lets you start, grow, and manage a business. Think of it as your all in one solution for selling online. You can create your own beautiful online store without any coding knowledge. It's designed to be user friendly, so even if you're a beginner, you can get your store up and running quickly. Shopify handles everything from website hosting to payment processing. You can sell anything from physical products to digital downloads. It also has a massive app store with thousands of apps to add extra features to your store. This means you can customize your store to do almost anything you can imagine. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Shopify has the best tools to help you succeed. It's a powerful and flexible platform that grows with your business. Shopify's biggest strength is that it's a complete package for selling online. You don't need to worry about the technical stuff like website hosting or security. Shopify takes care of all that for you. This means you can focus on what's important, growing your business. You get a fully customizable website, a blog, and a secure payment processor all in one place. Their drag and drop store builder makes it easy to design a professional looking website. You can choose from hundreds of beautiful themes to get started. Shopify also has its own payment gateway, Shopify Payments, which makes it simple to accept credit cards. Plus, they have a point of sale system so you can sell in person too. This feature is perfect for businesses that want a simple, hassle-free way to sell online and offline. Imagine being able to add any feature you want to your online store. With Shopify's App Store, you can do just that. It's like an app store for your phone, but for your e-commerce business. There are thousands of apps that can help you with marketing, sales, social media, and more. Want to add customer reviews to your product pages? There's an app for that. Need help with email marketing? There are plenty of apps for that too. Many of these apps are free, while others have a monthly fee. This allows you to extend the functionality of your store without needing to hire a developer. It's a game changer for small businesses that want to compete with larger companies. You can easily find and install apps to help you grow your business. One of the best things about Shopify is that it can grow with your business. Whether you're just starting out or you're a multi-million dollar company, Shopify can handle it. Their platform is built to be reliable and secure, so you don't have to worry about your website crashing during a big sale. They have a 99.99% uptime, which means your store is always open for business. As your business grows, you can easily upgrade your Shopify plan to get more advanced features. They also offer Shopify Plus for large enterprises that need a more robust solution. This means you won't have to switch platforms as your business expands. Shopify is trusted by millions of businesses worldwide, from small startups to big brands like Pepsi and Tesla. You can be confident that your business is in good hands. Next up is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a tool for creating sales funnels. A sales funnel is a series of steps to guide a customer to buy something. Think of it as a guided path to a specific product. It is different from a traditional website with many pages. A funnel focuses on one goal, which is usually to make a sale or get a lead. ClickFunnels is designed to sell one or a few products very well. It is all about converting visitors into customers. It helps you create landing pages, sales pages, and payment pages. You can also do upsells and downsells. An upsell is when you offer a customer a more expensive item. A downsell is when you offer a less expensive item if they say no to the first offer. ClickFunnels is very popular among marketers and course creators. It is a powerful tool for online marketing campaigns. ClickFunnels has a very easy to use funnel builder. You can create different types of sales funnels with a simple drag and drop editor. You don't need to know how to code. It's like playing with building blocks on your computer. ClickFunnels gives you many pre-built funnel templates. These templates are designed for different goals. For example, there are templates for selling a product, generating leads, or hosting a webinar. You can choose a template and then customize it. You can add your own text, images, and videos. The editor is very visual, so you can see the changes as you make them. You can create a whole funnel from start to finish in a short amount of time. This includes the landing page, the sales page, the order form, and the thank you page. It makes the process creating a high converting funnel very simple and fast. A key feature of ClickFunnels is the ability to add one-click upsells and downsells. This is a very powerful way to increase your sales. After a customer buys your main product, you can offer them another product. With just one click, they can add this new product to their order. They don't have to enter their payment information again. This makes it very easy for them to say yes. For example, if someone buys a book, you could offer them an audio version as an upsell. If they say no to the upsell, you can then offer them a downsell. A downsell could be a smaller, cheaper product. This gives you another chance to make a sale. These features are built right into ClickFunnels. You can easily add them to any of your funnels. This can significantly increase the average amount of money a customer spends with you. ClickFunnels has its own email marketing tool called Follow-Up Funnels. This allows you to stay in touch with your customers and leads. You can send emails automatically based on what people do in your funnel. For example, if someone signs up for your email list but doesn't buy, you can send them a series of emails to encourage them to purchase. You can also send newsletters and broadcast emails to your entire list. The email editor is easy to use. You can create beautiful emails without any technical skills. This integration is very powerful. It means you don't need a separate email marketing service. Everything works together in one platform. This saves you time and money. It helps you build a relationship with your audience and turn them into loyal customers. You can nurture your leads and guide them through the buying process automatically. With ClickFunnels, you can create and sell online courses or content in a membership area. This is a great way to create a recurring income. You can protect your content so that only paying members can access it. You can drip content over time, meaning you release new lessons each week or month. This keeps your members engaged and coming back for more. ClickFunnels also has a built-in affiliate management system called Backpack. An affiliate is someone who promotes your product for a commission. With Backpack, you can create your own affiliate program. You can give your affiliate special links to promote your products. The system will track all the sales they make. You can then easily pay them with their commissions. This is a powerful way to get other people to help you sell your products. It's like having your own sales team that you only pay when they make a sale. ClickFunnels offers three main plans. The launch plan starts at $97 per month. It is a great starting point with unlimited funnels and 10,000 contacts. The most powerful plan is Scale for $197 per month. This plan gives you 5 workspaces, more contacts, and access to the API. The optimized plan is $297 per month. It is built for marketers running at a large scale with 10 workspaces and 150,000 contacts. This pricing is very competitive for an all-in-one platform. ClickFunnels is for marketers, entrepreneurs, and course creators. It is for people who want to sell a specific product or service with a high converting sales process. If your main goal is to generate leads and make sales through a guided path, ClickFunnels is a great choice. It is for people who are focused on marketing campaigns and maximizing the value of each customer. It's not for building a large online store with many products. So, which one should you choose? If you want to build a full online store with many products, Shopify is the clear winner. It is an amazing platform for creating a long term e commerce brand. But if you want to create high converting sales funnels for a specific product or service, ClickFunnels is the king. It is a powerful marketing tool designed to maximize your sales. Sometimes businesses even use both together. They use Shopify for their main store and ClickFunnels for special promotions. We hope this video helped you understand the difference between Shopify and ClickFunnels. Choose the one that best fits your business goals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.